Ay,
and the
simula
king
na.
accidentally fell in love with the princess and saved her from the dangerous forest.
Yung for the tagal ko. Kaya, kita. Hindi. Kaya, no media please. Yan. Ang cute.
When I cast my eye on the deer, the please in view, and when I look at you with your bow and arrow, I seem to see none but a great finality and unity. Then to chase the deer.
Walang Sheila. Come away. It's high time that you find him now. Curving his neck gently, gracefully, he glances back at the chasing chariot, and threading the board of the guard, he bends his slender frame. The path he takes is strewn with tender grass half chewed, falling from his wide, gaping mouth as he raises and pants. Look, with his lips, crown in hand, he does not run, but fly. What's wrong? He's part of desperate pursuit. You find him nowhere else.
Sir, falling in the ground uneven, I had to pull back on the reins and slacken the speed of the chariot, so the deer was able to race a lot faster than we did. But now that you are pursuing him on level ground, you should have no difficulty in finding him soon.
Well, raise your chariot, Sita.
Yes. Yes, sir, my king. Look again as I loosen the reins. The horses leap and leap forward, surpassing even the swirl of dust. Their feet themselves have raced, with ears erect and palms still. The horses do not gallop, but float.
Indeed, the horse seems to outstrip instinct and size. What was small only a moment ago, quickly along so large. What was split into parts suddenly assumed same color. What was undulating in shape seems to align so get to my straight. The speed now makes a distant dim. Into distant all in flash. Suda, you'll now see how we're going to kill the deer.
Oh king, for God's sake, hold your arrow and do not kill the deer, for it's a holy deer of the hermitage.
Sir, I can see some sages standing in front of the deer. So how can you possibly shoot your arrow?
Stop the chariot!
Yes, sir.
This is a holy place, king, and the deer is a holy one. It belongs to the hermitage. Never, never shoot your arrow at him. Let not your arrow pierce his tender body, like tongues of flames into flowers. Oh, how fragile is his body and how cruel is your arrow. Please put the arrow back in your quiver. It should only defend the distressed, not assail the innocent.
Well then, let me throw my out.
Nobly done, sir. You have justly behaved like a prophet. Indeed, your actions refuse your race. O dear king, let me bless you. May you have a worthy son, able to rule everything in heaven. O king, we have come out to gather sticks for the sacrificial fire. There, on the left bank of the Malini, you can see the Aspraka of our Guru Karma. If you have no urgent duties to perform now, please accept our invitation. Besides, watch the holy rite of a sacred force without interest. You can realize how strongly your arm, scarred by the bowstring to next.
The sage guy back home now? No, he is the way of pilgrimage. He's a material to one of the evil spell that had been cast on his daughter Sakuntala. Well, I'd like to meet her and request her to convey with profound regards to Sage Ganta. Good, we will meet you there. Suda, race! purifying ourselves with the sight of the Holy Earth drum.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, now the circle of the grove is, I can see you will reach the grove now.
Parang puro ganyan lang.
How can you see that, sir?
Well, just take a look. Look! Look how those grains of wild rice have dropped from the peaks of the forest. Showing the back, the front summit. Look there, the stones, still glistening with awe, have been used for fruiting the fruits of inclusion. See, so safe and secure to the deer field here, that no sound, not even our chariots, and no human voices can ever startle or scare them. And there, drops of water, dripping off the edges of garment, the sages wear mark a path to the pool. Moreover, with ripples raised by the finger of the wind, waters in deep canals glow to wash the roots of the trees. The glossy picture of those sprouting lips is only dim by the dusky smoke swirling upward from the jaws of the sacred fire. See how fearlessly do fawn praise leisurely in windows there, where the sharp larva shoots have been rolled.
Yes, sir. Now I can see what you say.
We should by all means disturb the peace of the grove. Stop the chariot and let me alive.
I'm
Yung
ready, sir.
malayo, ano?
Your Majesty. May
Yung babae.
sound now.
One should enter the holy grove in humble attire. So,
Pinatukan.
let me hand over my insignia and bow to you, Suda. Well, now that I am visiting this hermitage, wash the backs of the horses in a nearby pond.
Yes. So, Your
Sa babae na.
So, here is the gate without drama. Let me enter. How serene and often the peaceful is its heritage. Yet, my arm elbows. Oh, what does it utter for me? Who knows makes me open its door anywhere, anytime.
Oh, dear friends, let us go then.
I hear voices to the right of the road. I'll go and see.
Ayoko na, nakakaboring.